Well, that's a massive controversy, viewers, but there's another one that's been burgeoning absolutely over the last 72 hours, and it has acquired a momentum of its own. And it began on Friday, viewers, when a large number of protesters landed outside the Hazrat Bal Shrine in Srinagar, in Kashmir, viewers, and they started attacking the foundation plaque made of black stone, as you can see. And they began to target it on the left-hand corner where the Ashoka emblem, which is the national emblem, was picturized. Why? Because these protesters said that the act of embossing the national symbol on the J&K Waqf Board foundation plaque was an act of blasphemy. It was an insult to the faith and the Prophet. And since then, viewers, there have been massive protests. There have also been accusations against the chairperson of the Waqf Board for colluding with the BJP to undermine and insult the Islamic tradition. I am joined by Darakshan Andrabi, chairman or chairperson rather of the Jammu and Kashmir Waqf Board. Thank you very much, madam, for speaking to us. The PDP, the National Conference, they want to file an FIR against you. वो आपके खिलाफ एक FIR दर्ज करना चाहते हैं. वो कहते हैं कि आपने you have insulted the Prophet. Your response, ma'am?
देखिए, शुक्रिया पहले आपका कि आपने इस पे बात करना चाहा, लेकिन ये जो प्लेट लगा है इनॉग्रेशन वाला, हमने पूरा 1.5 साल दरगाह को सजाया. आप वो पिक्चर्स दे सकते हैं. 1.5 साल के बाद हमने जब दरगाह हजरत बल श्राइन को खोला लोगों के लिए, तो वो एक पूरा साउथ एशिया का सबसे खूबसूरत दरगाह हजरत बल बन चुका है. You can see those pictures inside sanctum of that shrine. तो उसके बाद इनको 2-3 दिन तक ये तो कोई मसला ही नहीं है. नेशनल एम्बलम है और नेशनल एम्बलम एज अ चेयरपर्सन ऑफ यूटी एंड MOS स्टेटस, तो मेरे प्रोटोकॉल में ये है. लेकिन इस वक्त तक भी मुझे ये हर जगह आप दरगाह हजरत बल में अपने नाजरीन को दिखाइए, जो भी वहाँ पे बोर्ड लगे हैं टूरिज्म के जरिए, वहाँ पे हर जगह नेशनल एम्बलम लगा हुआ है. तो हमें तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं था कि खुदा ना खास्ता हम कहीं पे भी बेहुरमती. मैं तो 3 साल से काम कर रही हूँ एज अ चेयरपर्सन, और आप देखिए जम्मू कश्मीर वक्फ बोर्ड 0 से हीरो हो गया. ये NC और उनके लोगों को पसंद बिल्कुल नहीं आया.
नहीं, तो मैं आपसे पूछना चाहता हूँ, आप कह रहे हैं डबल स्टैंडर्ड्स की बात चल रही है, क्योंकि ऐसे कई बोर्ड्स हैं जो जिन पर ये नेशनल एम्बलम, द सिंबल of the Ashoka lions is prominently visible. Let's look at those pictures. Viewers, these are the pictures. This is a picture of a poster that has been put up with Omar Abdullah's face there, wishing the people on Eid. And you can see the Ashoka emblem, the capital of the Ashoka emblem, very prominently displayed. Then viewers, that show you more, because this relates now. The next picture will be of a area that was created to welcome pilgrims and make them feel comfortable, and that is also part of the shrine, of the Hazrat Bal Shrine, and we're going to show you those pictures. So, madam, you're saying that पहले ऐसा था, there is precedence, और बस ये आपके पीछे पड़ गए हैं क्योंकि ये पॉलिटिक्स करना चाह रहे हैं. Can you hear me, Miss Andrabi? Okay, we're going to try and go back to her. But viewers, Miss Andrabi has just told us that this has existed in the past. This is nothing new, and that these are all motivated protests to try and cobble together, bring together reinforced base in Jammu and Kashmir of some of these political parties and try to distract from the real issues at hand. This is another attempt at trying to consolidate their vote banks, etc., latent form of appeasement. So this is what Ms. Andrabi is telling us, because there was no cause to vandalize this particular stone plaque. Why? Because in the past, there has been precedence. And we just showed you some pictures. And let's show those pictures again, where you can see very clearly the national emblem right there in the corner, very clearly visible. So how is it that protests have erupted here, but never actually erupted back there? Clearly, as Ms. Andrabi is saying, this was an attempt to try and detract from the good work that the GNCT government there has done, the JNCT government has done, and of course the charge that was given to Ms. Andrabi. I don't think we have her, so we're going to take a short break, but we'll come back to this story, viewers, in just a few moments. We're going to try and reconnect with her. If we get her, that'll be great, but if you don't, we'll have to move on. But fundamentally, that's the lady on the right. That's Ms. Andrabi. She's the chairperson of the Waqf board. She's being targeted, called a blaspheme for actually putting a national emblem and the insignia of the national emblem on that plaque. Now, Ms. Andrabi, मैं आपसे पूछना चाह रहा था, आप ये कह रही हैं कि प्रेसिडेंस है, पहले भी ऐसा हुआ है, ऐसा नहीं है कि कुछ नई बात है, और आपको इसलिए टारगेट करा जा रहा है क्योंकि लोग एक किस्म से आपके काम से they're jealous of your work, or they want to snatch credit from you, so that yes, so explain.
That was the only reason. They feel very jealous and feel very low all over the valley, because everybody praises our work, Jammu Kashmir Waqf Board's work. तो ये सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम रही, क्योंकि इनको लगता था कि ये शेख खानदान के पास ही है सारा, और पहली बार किसी ने एशिया की सबसे खूबसूरत श्राइन, जो आप अपने दर्शकों को दिखा भी सकते हैं कि किस कदर ये साउथ एशिया की, नॉट ओनली इन इंडिया, साउथ एशिया की सबसे खूबसूरत श्राइन बनी है, जिसको हमें बराबर, क्योंकि हमने इसको नॉट ओनली रेनोवेशन बल्कि रिकंस्ट्रक्ट किया, बहुत प्यार से किया, बहुत मेहनत से किया, सारी डिजाइनिंग मैंने खुद की और रात दिन मैं वहां पे खड़ी रही। सारा वक्फ में जो डिपार्टमेंट, आपको पता है पार्लियामेंट में हमारे ऑनरेबल यूनियन मिनिस्टर साहब ने वक्फ बोर्ड जम्मू कश्मीर की अप्रिसिएशन की, और पूरी तरह से इसमें असल में यूनियन मिनिस्टर साहब को ही इनॉग्रेशन करने आना था, एलजी साहब को आना था, और हमने चीफ मिनिस्टर को भी उसमें बुलाया था, बट ऑल ऑफ सडन एक तो फ्लड की वजह से हम वो कर नहीं पाए, और यहाँ से ईद मिलाद था, तो हमने फिर यूनियन मिनिस्टर साहब ने कैंसिल करके, मे बी वो चीज रहा होगा क्योंकि उनकी उनका प्रेसिडेंस है कि उनके उसमें रहेगा ही एम्बलम, नेशनल एम्बलम।
So this was an attempt to discredit the good work that was done. These are the claims being made by Ms. Andrabi. Thank you very much, Ms. Andrabi, for speaking to us and bringing us your point of view. Now, viewers, whether an FIR is filed, whether she is going to be singled out or not, this is a very worrying development, because, viewers, the nation comes first. The nation is above faith. As we all know, we're part of a secular democracy in this country. We're not a religious state. And therefore, this act, many people are seeing this from an anti-national lens. I leave it at this, viewers.